Hello, the purpose of this video is to perform simplest publication via MQTT protocol. In the previous video we talked about installation of the tool of the Mosquitto broker by which we can test this action. In this video we will see the simplest code to perform the publication via MQTT broker. Our starting point is expressive side ESP MQTT, where we go to the example of MQTT over TCP. We go into this main, and this will be our starting point. From my point of view, this code can be simplified a little bit just to be it more clearly and to concentrate on the publication command. That what we will do here. We will copy and paste this code. We will leave all the includes except I added my data include, which holds the credentials of my Wi-Fi network, which are used here. Except this, those includes are the same. Here we have two functions which enables us to connect to the Wi-Fi, and those functions were described in the previous serials. Here we will concentrate on three functions, which are MQTT start, the handler, which is divided to two handlers. The main is starting with memory initiation, Wi-Fi connection, and except waiting for the connection establishment, we just make a 2-second delay just to make things simpler as much as we can. And after it we will print Wi-Fi is initiated. And our main purpose is to demonstrate the MQTT app start function, which is the same as here. You see, we're using this function, and okay, what is actually do is defines the broker that we use. In our case, in Eclipse project, which is suggested by ESP documentation, expressive documentation, and we will connect the handler in this configuration and the client, and use command ESP MQTT client register event, and then we can start the client with the following configuration. Here they choose to divide the handler in two functions. Here we use this handler and initiate the handler, which on the other hand initiates the state machine handler here. It can be also performed in the one handler, but I choose to stick to the example and perform it the same. The code was cleaned without any additional lines, just to concentrate on the publication line. After this handler is enabled, we go to the state machine, and when the MQTT is connected, we can perform the publication. Essentially, this is the command that publish the message to the client, which is Eclipse broker, into the topic, which called my topic, into the address of the broker. We will send this message, hi to all, and let's see how it will work. Here we have the Windows, command prompt Windows from our PC, inside the directory that Mosquitto is installed, and we will initiate Mosquitto subscription to our broker into a specific topic. In this case, we didn't use -d just to see the subscription without seeing the every stage of initiation. Here we will compile our code and flash it on the ESP. And our purpose is to send publication command from the ESP to the PC, which is here, via the MQTT broker. Okay. Now you see, because we made a delay, Wi-Fi was initiated after all those stages were performed, and MQTT event was connected, and MQTT message was published. Here you can see our message from here, which was received by the PC. So to summarize, in this video, the simplest publish command was performed and the message was sent from the ESP32 via MQTT broker on the remote server and back to the subscribed client on the PC in our case. Thank you.